Checking out this Russian knife called a knock. At least that's how I believe you're supposed to say it, knocks. This one's in Cyrillic, and really interesting knife. As you can see, all its information is in Russian. It's got a D2 blade. This one's a liner lock. It has ceramic bearings, so it just opens without any assist, but real easily. It's a great size knife. They make a lot of, Knock makes a lot of sheath knives, so this one is reminiscent of one of their sheath knives, but it has the liner lock and ceramic bearings, so it opens so smoothly and quietly. I know it's a Russian company, but I'm not sure where they're made. And it's made by the designer Alexander Barkunov. Nice, large knife with great features, high quality, and Russian. Hope this helps.